Hi, today I am going to show you how to unbox, set up, and install your HP OfficeJet 200 mobile printer. First thing to do is open the box, so break the tape and fold back the flaps. Inside the box, you will find a packet of Unbox resource materials. The first thing you will see is the setup poster. This has the basic setup instructions for this printer, similar to what we are showing in this video. The next item is the installation CD for both Windows and Mac. If in the future you misplace this disk, you can download the software and drivers at 123.hp.com. Next is a caution flyer about human consumption of the ink shipped with this printer. And lastly is the Get Started Guide, which includes information on additional features for your printer and includes some basic troubleshooting. Lift up the flap and you will find two ink cartridges. One is tricolor and the other is black. For this particular region, they are number 62, but that might vary depending on where you live. Slide out the cardboard, and underneath it you will find the battery for your printer. This is what makes this printer unique, because with this battery, you can print 8.5 by 11 pages anywhere you go. The last item, besides the printer, is the power cord. HP recommends always using the power cord shipped with your printer for best performance. Turn the printer box on its side so the top of the printer faces up. Pull the printer and the cardboard supports completely out of the box. Remove the cardboard supports from each side of the printer. All materials in the packaging for this printer are recyclable. Visit hp.com/recycle for more information about recycling your packaging materials. Remove the printer from the plastic bag. Remove the specially designed tape from all sides of the printer. This tape is designed to be removed easily without leaving behind any residue. There are two pieces on the front and one piece on the back. Lift the top cover and remove the styrofoam sheet. Remove the clear plastic using the white strips. There are 3 sections to remove. Lift the ink access door and then remove the last piece of blue tape. Slide out the cardboard restraint and close the ink access door and then the top cover. On the back of the printer, remove the battery cover by pushing in the tab and sliding it out. Install the battery by sliding the right side in the printer and then snapping the left side in place. Reinstall the battery cover by sliding the tab on the cover into the slot on the printer and then snap the left side in place. Next, remove the twist tie from the power cord and insert it in the port on the back of the printer. Lift the top cover. Lift up on the display and then press the power button. The printer powers on and will ask you to confirm some questions. Select your language using the arrow buttons and then touch OK. Confirm by touching OK. Select your country or region and then touch OK. Confirm again with the OK button. At this point, select your network setup environment. If your IT department handles your network settings, select IT Managed. Otherwise, select Self-Managed to set it up yourself. Touch OK. Now you will install the cartridges that came with your printer. Lift the ink access cover to allow the carriage to move into position. Remove the cartridge from the package. It doesn't matter which one you open first. With the cartridge out of the packaging, pull the orange tab to correctly expose the ink nozzles. Make sure not to touch the ink nozzles or electrical contacts. Touching these can damage the cartridge. Insert the cartridge into its corresponding slot. Tricolor on the left, black on the right. Using your fingers, squeeze the cartridge and the carriage lock together to secure the cartridge into position. Remove the other cartridge from the package, again removing the orange pull tab. Set the cartridge in the slot and squeeze the lock and cartridge to secure it. Close the ink access cover. The screen confirms you installed genuine HP cartridges. Touch OK. Now we can load paper. Fan a stack of unused plain white paper and then load it in the input tray. Adjust the paper width guide so it touches the edge of the paper. Touch OK on the control panel to begin performing an alignment. An alignment calibrates the printer for the best quality printouts. After the alignment page prints, you can discard it or recycle it. An alignment successful message displays on the control panel. If you do not receive an alignment successful message, go to support.hp.com for further assistance. Touch OK to continue. Select your computer or device connection method. For the purpose of this video, we will select Connect Later. Touch OK. Select if you want your printer to install updates automatically or manually. HP recommends running updates automatically. Touch OK. Touch OK again to continue. To increase printer performance, HP can collect data anonymously from your printer. Select if you want to send this data to HP and then touch OK. Select where your printer is located and then touch OK. Select how your printer is going to be used and then touch OK. Confirm by touching OK. At this point, the hardware setup for your printer is complete. Read the instructions on setting up the software and touch OK to continue. Respond to any remaining prompts if necessary. To install the printer on your computer or other device, open a web browser. Navigate to 123.hp.com/setup. Click or tap the download button to save the file to your computer or device. Open the file and read and respond to the prompts to complete the software setup. For further information or assistance with setting up the software for your printer, visit hp.com/support videos. This has been the unboxing, setting up, and installation of the HP OfficeJet 200 mobile printer.